The 2006 Mercury Mariner. Room for 5 passengers. Tight, responsive handling, 6 standard airbags, and savvy functionality are all part of the stylish and powerful Mariner. Mariner's electric power steering is powered by an electric motor, improving the steering feel at low speeds, providing precise steering on the highway and helping improve fuel economy, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, 4-wheel drive, power steering, front air conditioning, cruise control, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, center armrest, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.